Don't trust anyone. Life is full of fake people who pretend to care. Don't trust anyone, but when you need them the most, they're nowhere to be found. It hurts, but it teaches you to trust yourself. Keep your heart safe. Let the real ones prove they deserve a place in your life. Mos I beso askujt, jeta është plot me njerëz të rrem që bëjnë sikur u intereson. Mos I beso askujt, kur ke më shumë nevojë për ta, ata nuk gjenden askund. Të lëndon, por të mëson t'i besosh vetes.